Is there something that you wish more people knew about the maintenance and reliability industry?
There are a lot of things I think everybody would love to get out there, but one of the big ones I think has been highlighted quite a bit here over this first couple of weeks is at the end of the day, we're hands-on. We have to be out there. We have to be doing what we do. It's not something that you can do remotely. At the end of the day, we enable the business to operate. And I really wish more organizations and leaders understood that maintenance is not just a cost. Maintenance is not just a supplier to production. In reality, at the end of the day, if your maintenance and reliability efforts aren't where they need to be, you're taking production.
Mhm.
So that's a big one for me, and I think that's one I would definitely wish more people were aware of.